So this is not a mystery box. This is one pair of shoes. Like, there's just one. I think there's one. This box is huge. As you can see, like, my foot is not. There's no way my foot is this big, bro. But this pair, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm low key embarrassed to let y'all know how long I've been sitting on this joint, man. It's been a while. I want to say I got these in January, maybe, and by the time you're watching this, hopefully still March. It could be April. I'm not sure, because I got other things, I want to put out there for you. But yeah, this is a shoe that I didn't even know exists until I did my infamous, random scrolling on websites. And this is actually a collab with AMI, I want to say AMI, AMI. I mean, I'm not familiar with the brand, so if I butchered the name, let me know down in the comments. But this is actually an unboxing or pickup from Saks Fifth, man. So Saks Fifth with the premium packaging. I guess it should be, since it's a premium store. But yeah, you see that Saks Fifth. Let me try to open this box up, and I'll be right back. Okay. This is dope. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't want to I want to say it's Amy. So as you can see, if you want to pause and read that, the official Puma and Amy collab, I want to say. That's dope, man. We are family. The second season of Puma and Amy continues to explore the bonds of family and friendship, featuring pieces that blur the boundaries between casual and chic. You know what I'm saying? They're trying to get that upper echelon of the designer world. I like it. Utilizing the elevated materials, this collection takes a fresh approach to product design for modern functionalists, made to be mixed and matched with pieces from previous seasons' collaborations. So they want you to go ahead and go get them old joints, them old hoodies, the old sweatsuits, and rocking with the new kicks, man. I'm not mad at that. And it's like a full collab, like even down to the paper, man. You got the Amy. It's like, I'm not gonna lie, man. Puma with the collaborations, they definitely okay. So I guess we get a extra set of white laces. Now, I'm gonna let y'all know off rip. The laces in these shoes remind me of the Lanvin joints, and that was the first thing I thought of. Not saying that I want a pair of Lanvins. I'm just saying like that those particular laces. That's the first thing I thought of. So before y'all say in the comments, "Oh, you trying to get some bootleg?" No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Bro. I don't want those bootleg Osiris's, bro. That's what they are. You can buy a pair of Osiris's, throw the laces in there, and that's what it look like. You feel me? Go ahead, unwrap these joints. Whew. Fire. So you can throw that in there. Look at that joint, man. These are the laces that I was referring to. Maybe it's just me, but it reminds me of the Lemons. So this is a Puma TRC Blaze Mid. The colorway is Marshmallow Light Sand. I got these. They were on sale. I forgot how much I paid for them. But if you just Google the Puma, the TRC Blaze Mid AMI collab, there's a few stores that have them for like $112, and I'm pretty sure the last time I checked, they was still a full size run. So if you want these, I would definitely hop on them ASAP. Well, whew. This is a clean shoe. Let's see how they look on feet though. definitely light, man. The materials feel pretty premium, which it should be with a designer collab, you know. So you get that suede wrapping around the heel. You also get a lighter tan suede on the upper with some aged, or I guess like sail tumbled leather. And then you get smooth leather growing around the toe box, and then, you know, the toe cap, some more suede, and then you get neoprene going along the tongue, wrapping around the ankle collar. Kind of reminds me of like a Presto, like the Presto utility joints. That's what it looks like. And then you get the Puma AMI collab logo on the tongue as well as the heel tab. This is a clean shoe, definitely light. Like, this is definitely a lightweight shoe. If you have wide foot, if you have a wide foot, I probably would advise going up or whatever. Any type of shoe that you have is like a slip-on type joint. Like whatever size you wear, I would stick to your true size. And then you have the insole with the Puma AMI logo as well. Yeah, these are just clean. I don't know what it is about these. I know it's probably an acquired taste, like most of my collection outside of Jordans, basically. Outside of Jordans and like the more popular Yeezys and stuff. This is one of those acquired tastes, man. If you've been following my channel for a while, appreciate y'all for sticking with me this long. But y'all know I'm all over the place when it comes to my shoe selection. But these, man, I don't know what it is about this shoe. These are so crazy to me. I'm kind of mad that I didn't know about this collab earlier, because I feel like this is definitely like one of those fall winter shoes in the sense of this would be dope depending on how you layer it. I don't think this would, like, I feel like you just put on like a t-shirt and some pants or something, it won't do these justice. I feel like you have to like throw some layering up there, something crazy with this particular pair. But hey, if you got them, wear them how you want to, because, you know, you bought them, so who cares? Whatever you feel comfortable with. I know me personally, I think these would look dope, like with a you know, a few layers on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, these are crazy. So if you want these, the Puma TRC Blaze Mid AMI collab, Google it. They should still be readily available, and they should be for a decent price as well. I don't think this is one of those collabs that a lot of people were like looking forward to, or a lot of people didn't know about. Cause like I said, I had no idea that these even dropped. But I'm glad I found them, and I found them from under retail, so that's always a key. So I appreciate y'all for watching once again. Not sure when this video will be dropping, because I have a few other videos that I want to get out before this one. So yeah, by the time you see this, hopefully they're still available, and if you want them, you're able to cop easily. Yeah, appreciate y'all for watching.